So first of all, I don't know if many of you know who this person is here on the screen, but he's a guy called Kevin Kelly, and he's the founder of the Wired magazine and a general pioneer in the technoculture area. And for me, the whole context of AI, he sums up quite well from a transformational perspective by saying that the business plans of the next 10,000 startups are easy to forecast in that all they'll do is they'll just take X and add AI to it. And in this case, he was talking about startups, which is kind of, I think, a unique area of the market. But for me, if companies that are driving that disruption in the marketplace, that are bringing something new by leveraging AI, this is going to be quite disruptive to companies as they evolve. So it's really important that they're able to seize those new opportunities and therefore understand how to leverage AI. Now I think it's important, now that we have, one of the perspectives on AI, we really need to understand what is AI, because I think that for many of you who are joining here today, you might have heard different stories on the news or things that are saying about what AI is. And for me, it's important to provide first kind of a Wikipedia definition. So for those of you who go into Wikipedia and just type in AI, you'll see that it says it defines AI as machines that are showing capabilities that are typically associated with human intelligence. And when I heard that phrase for the first time, I was like, that sounds kind of scary, because if you hear that phrase, you think maybe this is about machines that are going to take over the world, that they're going to have human capabilities, perhaps. But for me, I see things quite differently. I believe that machines will actually help amplify human ingenuity, which was the title of this masterclass session, and they'll do that in three specific areas that I believe we've seen, which are around reasoning, so how they learn and form conclusions to imperfect data, because that requires a huge amount of processing to make to draw reasoning from something. In the second pillar, which is in understanding, so how we can interpret the meaning of data, including things like text, voice, and images, and how we can interact in different ways. So this will be another area that I think that we'll see where AI will help amplify human ingenuity.